Yeah, you cuddle with Lucy? Show me how you cuddle with Lucy at midnight. Can you show me how you cuddle with them?
Yeah, he's staring at me.
Yeah. Give Lucy a hug the way you just did. I got you. Oh, look, he's stuck. Can you help him get unstuck? There he goes. Okay. Can you give him a hug? Can you give him a hug? Can you give him a hug? Okay. Give him a hug. Can you use him as a pillow? Use him as a pillow. You just laid your head on Lucy. Do it again. Oh, no. Oh, you're giving it to Midnight so he can use that as a pillow? Okay.
Yeah. He's just in a mining bear.
Yeah? Yeah. That makes him happy.
Yeah. That's why he's stuck on my shirt.
Yeah.
So that's why he do that.
Yeah. Makes him very happy. Yeah. Can you hug Lucy again the way you did a minute ago? You put your head on her. It was nice. She liked it. Yeah, she liked it. Yeah. That's so nice. Lucy likes it. Can you do it for Midnight? Midnight would like it too.
I might be hug him.
Okay. You hug him? Are you petting him? Oh, yeah. That's nice.
Yeah.
That was nice. They like you. They love you.
How about Lucy?
Yeah. 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 Make her very happy. Yeah. Look how happy she is. Her tail is wagging and she's laying there.
1, 2.
1, 2, that's right. 2 kitties.
3.
No, 2. Midnight is 1, and Lucy is 1, and 1 and 1 are 2. What?
What's a monkey?
Daddy found it. I'm going to get it in a minute. Are you done playing with the kitties? You done petting them?
No, they're not getting.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. It's so nice.
how about petting how about petting him on his head?
Okay. Put him on the head then. Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, that's not petting me.
Yeah. It makes him very happy. Look how happy. Yeah. That's nice.
Look, what is sleeping?
Yeah, she's sleeping, but she's very happy because her tail is wagging. See how her tail is moving? That means you've made her very happy.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
That's why Lucy's tail is sticking out.
Yeah, so is Midnight's. Yeah, he's very happy too.
Yeah.
You made them both very happy.
No, ballerina.
Oh, you gonna watch Angelina Ballerina now? Okay.